afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2015 Infiniti Q50. This is a premium all-wheel drive sedan, finished in Venetian Ruby. There's a little bit of sunlight peeking onto the back of the car, try and get you an idea as to the metallic flake that's in the car. But really nice paint, looks really good. There are a few little tiny dents, and there's one here just to the left of the gas lid, and then there's one small one right above the gas lid door. The rest of the car is in great shape. 4 brand new tires, brand new rear brakes. I'm gonna walk you around here. Notice up on the front you've got some normal road rash from driving conditions up here. This was an Ohio car, so it did have the front license plate bracket, which means 2 holes left in the front bumper. A little bit of damage there on the front lip. May have just touched the top of a curb or a parking curb. Just below the driver headlamp, we have a little more road rash there, as you can see. A few little spots. Up here at the driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. 17-inch aluminum wheels. This is equipped with the 3.7-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine and a 7-speed automatic gearbox. Back here at the driver rear wheel, good shape, some curb rash down here at the bottom of the wheel. See that there? A little more over here on the side. Small little imperfection in the paint here. This is on the the driver rear door. Little spot there. Looks like it's been touched up prior. Good shape back here. Just a few little, very minor scratches on the back bumper near the cargo area. Talked about those 2 dents there by the fuel door. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, pretty good shape. A little curb rash there on the lip of the wheel. Might have seen a curb or 2. And I'll get you a walk down the passenger side body panels. Didn't see anything else that stood out. No dents that I could see. And no dents on the hood. All right, last but not least, passenger front wheel. Great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Again, 4 brand new tires put in service. And we'll take you to the interior. We have a stone leather interior. I would call this almost beige, almost gray, almost white, a little bit in between. Shows really nice. The back seats here don't appear that anybody really sat in them. Power windows, power mirrors, power adjustable driver and passenger seat. Couple digital displays here, one for the navigation and radio, as well as one for the climate control. You've got heated front seats as well as heated steering wheel. 7-speed automatic gearbox and gear selector. Your multifunction steering wheel. And current mileage 53060. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, do not hesitate to give us a call, 614-793-1050. Check out our website. You'll see tons of photos of this car at www.autoassets.com.